Welcome back to Better Kansas City. Now this chicken sounds fancy, but it's really not that hard to make. We have JJ Christian of Cater Kansas City here to show us how to make chicken roulade, right?
Yes,
it looks
sir.
like roulade, but it's roulade.
Roulade.
Now, is this kind of like a Cajun dish, or does it have its roots in Cajun food or anything? It kind of sounds like isn't it like a roulade that they make down in like Louisiana and the New Orleans?
Yeah, you could do it that way. Traditionally, it's more Italian style.
Okay.
It's just a fancy way to put on a little spin to something that's really actually simple.
Yeah. Okay. Well, kind of just explain what it is here. Obviously, Italian dish, but what all do you have made up for us?
So today
already?
we just took this chicken breast. You can buy it anywhere. Just basically slice it open right here on the side.
Okay.
Right there. Make a little pocket, and then stuff it with whatever you like. Today I chose mozzarella and spinach.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got a little bit of chicken stock in the pan, a little bit of vegetables, letting all that juice come out, and we just seared it off. I cooked it off in the oven for you.
Okay.
And we're just finishing it right now on the stovetop.
So when you cook your chicken breast in the oven, how long and what temperature do you typically use?
Today I did 350 degrees in the convection oven. It took about 15-20 minutes. Get it to 165 degrees. So
yeah. And then when you finalize it off, you just like just some chicken stock in there, and then a little bit of some peppers and some other accoutrement or whatever you will.
And at home, most people have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. That's all I really like to use, and to keep it nice and simple and let all those natural flavors come out.
Awesome. Well, what do you have in the other pans here?
So I just did some root vegetables. We got some asparagus here, some carrots. My mom grows all this stuff in her garden. I love it.
Oh, wow.
Caramelized onions. But I put a little spin on the onions. I pickled them and then threw them in there for a little saute action.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And then over here is some couscous and quinoa, I think,
typically
right?
with Italian dishes, people like to make risotto with arborio rice. I took a little spin and made quinoa and couscous, arborio style, with a little bit of chicken stock, some heavy cream, a little salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. So we're going Italian with a little bit more of a healthier spin to it.
Yeah, definitely. So you're putting your own little spin on it, and again, for the farm-to-table stuff here, like you said, your mom grows. What other kind of dishes do you guys make with when you guys are catering at different events?
So over at Cater Kansas City, we do anything and everything. So that's what's really fun, is we can customize anything for you, from your simple box lunches to things like this. I'll come to your home, I'll do personal chef things, and whatever you like. So I love all that stuff. I've been a chef for a very long time, over 25 years now. So you know, literally anything you want me to do, you want me to come do some fancy sushi for you or whatever you like, we can do it.
Well, all right. I'm just thinking of what I'm really hungry for right now is a cheeseburger, but that's aside from the point.
Yeah,
but,
heck yeah.
Well, let's talk more about the chicken here. Now, when you do you have a plate to plate this up on here, or are we going to plate it up
Yeah, we're going to
today?
do this wood board over here. Just keep it kind of rustic and kind of fun.
Okay, can I bring this over to you here? There we go.
All right. So what I like to do is just get those grains on the bottom there.
Yeah. Man, that looks fantastic.
Yeah. And Parmesan kind of keeps it all together.
Here, I'm going to move some of this so we can see you
sir.
plating it up over here real fast.
You got it.
There you go. Is that
All
a little bit better?
Throw a little vegetables over the top here.
And that's a pickled caramelized onion, right?
Yeah.
So it gets pickled and then put on and saute it, so that turns that. Okay.
So it gets a lot of different flavors, a lot of spin on it.
So that is like, you get like a vinegary taste with the pickling, and then more of like the sugars come out when you saute it. Then.
Yeah, definitely. Bring out all those natural flavors, get a little bit something different on there.
Yeah.
And I'm just a condiment kind of guy, so I made some honey balsamic here.
Oh, now we're talking.
Which is awesome. Makes it, see how simple this is, but we're making it look real fancy.
And it just looks really
awesome,
cool
right?
when the guys do what they're doing and they're plating something. You do the little whatever move that is, and and you plate it, and it looks all
herb
special.
Oil, and then this is a little beet and apple reduction right here.
Oh, it's a little sweet in that too.
Look how fancy that is. Let's throw a little scallions over the top.
Boom.
Boom, there you go.
There it is. Can I try a little bite here first?
Definitely, my friend.
I'm not going to probably.
I got a knife here for you.
Can we cut up the chicken here a little bit?
Yes,
God,
sir.
It looks so nice. I feel so bad like coming over and just destroying it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
That's the fun part, right?
All right.
Just get right in there.
There we go. Get
there
after
you are,
it.
so you can get after it, my friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I want to definitely try. And this is you said it's risotto.
We have apple cider beet reduction, and that's the balsamic, and all those good flavors are all going to come together. A little herb oil, and the.
Okay, excellent. I'm going to try one of those carrots.
And the quinoa and
I want to make sure I get one of those
killer,
pickled onions. There we go. Oh man,
a lot of flavor, right?
There's a lot going on there, but that's really good. All right, JJ. Well, hey man, We appreciate you being here and bringing that. That's amazing.
Hey, thank you very much.
It's still going on. All right, I have to read with the full mouth, which is a challenge, but we're going to do it.